Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here. We'll be looking at how to say more French vocabulary as well in names, so stay tuned. So this is the way to say next to in French. So you have something or a place and that is next to something else, another place. À côté de, à côté de. So it's a bit difficult to explain why it's like this, but côté means the side, okay? À côté de is how to say next to. So for example, you would say ma maison, my house, est, is, à côté de, so next to, ma maison est à côté de la boulangerie, for example, the bakery. Ma maison est à côté de la boulangerie. My house is next to the bakery. And now, you know, more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.